tó ń lọ Nàìjíríà kọ́lọ́run ọba kó ṣe kí ni kó ṣàánú wa. Mo lérò pé gbogbo yín lẹ ti rí fídíò tí Very Dark Man ṣe tó sọ pé nígbà táwọn àwọn ará bí tó tún release fídíò pé àwọn àtúpàyàn mi nígbà àwọn ò fẹ́ ransom àwọn fẹ́ negotiator ni àbí negotiation ni I don't even understand. Ẹ ti rí fídíò tí Very Dark Man ṣe tó sọ pé òun fún government in 4 days táwọn ọmọ yẹn ò bá jáde òun máa ṣe crowdfunding káwọn lè fún àwọn ará bí ní nǹkan tó bá fẹ́ kán lè release àwọn ọmọ 46 children ló wà nígbò 46 children. It is well. Ṣé rí ẹjẹ́ ń sọ tèmi náà ẹjẹ́ ń sọ tèmi. Ṣé rí ìlú táwa wọ́n máa ń sọ pé àwọn ò kì í negotiate pẹ̀lú àwọn agbénipa. Ó yẹ yín reason tó fi ń gbé lágbénipa. Ọmọ India ló ní YouTube tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ kékeré báyìí wọ́n máa bring page ẹ̀ down. Ìjọba ìlú yìí wọ́n máa ń sọ àwọn ò lè negotiate pẹ̀lú pẹ̀lú agbénipa because wọ́n mọ̀ pé táwọn bá ti lè negotiate lẹ́ẹ̀kan àwọn èèyàn tó kù wọ́n máa rí opportunity láti máa gbé àwọn èèyàn pa. Ṣé rí ibi tá a délé ni lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn agbénipa yìí is because of àǹkó ransom lẹ́ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mi ò ní parọ́ fún yín. Very Dark Man mean well but he just opened another portal for kini. He just opened another portal for more to come. Táwọn people yẹn tó bá sọ pé àwọn ní ìdí owó tẹ́ fún wọn lówó ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé wọ́n tún máa lọ kó àwọn èèyàn míì ni torí pé ẹ ti fún àwọn lówó. Wọ́n tún máa lọ ṣe kí ni wọ́n máa lọ kó àwọn èèyàn míì ní now. Wọ́n máa tún lọ kó àwọn èèyàn míì ní now. As simple as that. Ṣé rí nǹkan tèmi tẹ̀ máa ń sọ ni pé I know he means well. At the same time àwọn ọmọ tó wà nígbó kò yẹ kán wà ńbẹ̀. But this is not the time téèyàn máa ṣe kí ni téèyàn máa open portal 46 children. Ẹ jẹ́ fún yín analysis kan. Àwọn agbénipa ẹ̀ wọ́n ti wà desperate ṣe bágbàlagbà náà máa ń kó tẹ́lẹ̀ inú church náà ti máa lọ ń kó wọn. Kí ló dé tó ń lọ ní school tó lọ kó pupil ọmọ primary school tó lọ kó àwọn kéékèèké nínú school. At this point it's obvious that they needed money. Wọ́n dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ọmọ kékeré máa sell more to international body than àgbàlagbà. Ìgbà tó wọnú school lọ tó lọ kó àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké what do you expect? Pé the whole world wọ́n máa ginger wọ́n máa wà ẹsẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ nǹkan tó bá need no máa provide àbí. 46 children. We are not talking about millions anymore. The ransom is in billions. Kì í ṣe pé ìjọba ò ní owó yẹn. But tó ń bá kó billions of naira lẹ́ẹ̀ka tẹ̀ fún ní figure ẹjẹ́ àsọ pé wọ́n sọ pé 20 billion. Kàtẹ́ sọ pé iye tó ń bèrè ni. Ammunitions náà máa fi lọ fi rà ó ṣe mọ̀ṣá. Kì í ṣe pé wọ́n máa gbowó yẹn wọ́n máa kúrò ńbẹ̀. Wọ́n máa lọ ra ammunitions. Wọ́n á tún wá padà lọ sí another school. Wọ́n á tún lọ kó another. Wọ́n lè kó 200 people ń sìn. So that wọ́n á lè gbà bí 100 billion. The circle keeps going. The circle doesn't stop. It keeps going. Ìjọba ìlú yìí tó dẹ̀ mo ṣe ṣáájú pé wọn kì í negotiate pẹ̀lú terrorists kàkà bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ máa para yín síbẹ̀ ni. But wọ́n máa negotiate. That is why it's safe here. Because wọ́n ti understand kìíní kan tó bá lọ gbéyàn ó kàn tọrọ ẹni kò sí anybody tó máa fẹ́ anybody lówó. Nǹkan tí ìjọba dẹ̀ ń ṣe nìyẹn. Ìjọba Tinubu they are not silent. That's the truth. They are not silent. They are working. Ẹ gbọ́ tí àwọn tó sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn àwọn teachers yẹn sọ pé wọ́n sọ pé government fẹ́ fipá kó wọn kúrò ńbẹ̀. Àwọn ò dẹ̀ like ẹ̀. Pé kó negotiate náà àjẹbẹ́ àwọn máa pa èèyàn. Nǹkan tẹ̀mí fẹ́ sọ ni pé tí government bá negotiate pẹ̀lú wọn àwọn tó ti wà desperate tó ní ìdí owó automatically wọ́n máa ṣe kí ni wọ́n máa gbowó yẹn tó bá ti wá ní ìdí owó wọn á tún padà wọ́n á tún lọ kérò mi bó ṣe máa grow nìyẹn. But I think they are on their last straw if you look at it very well. desperation to pack children. She understand they are on their last straw. They don't have anything. At the same time, the military is contaminated. Let me use that word. Because, Sherry, me mo wait mo le pa. But, Sherry ejo lowo no. That's the truth. Nigerian security system. They are one of the best security system in the world. Reasons mo fi mọ̀ ni pé èmi náà ti gbé West Africa dáadáa. Tí any issue bá wà, Nigerian army no man deploy wa. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni West African countries. Wọ́n dẹ̀ bá ń deliver. In fact, àwọn ló máa ń ṣáájú ECOMOG. Àwọn ló máa ń ṣáájú. Defense system wa brutal. Tí kíní bá ti lè weak ti defense system wa kì í ṣe pé a weak o, but ejò ti lọ́wọ́ nú. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Tí kíní ilé le tó tẹ́lẹ̀, àwọn báwọn kan ṣe ń dè, àwọn kan tún lè sọ fún mi pé kò sí ọwọ́ top military official nú. Àbí kò ní ọwọ́ nú. Ó dàbí àwọn olè tó fẹ́ lọ rọ́ọ̀bù báńkì. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Ṣé máa sọ fún mi pé kò sí insider job bẹ́ẹ̀ ni? Báwọn kan ṣe ń dè, náà ṣe ń tú. Bọ́ ṣe ń dè, náà ṣe ń tú. Bọ́rọ̀ ìṣeré ni ẹ̀. Torí ẹ̀ ló ṣe le kókókókókó. But ṣe rí the best part ń bì. Torí nísìn, the solution tèmi rí ni pé Tinubu can negotiate with American government. Tó bá gbé 2-3 fighter jets wa, tó connect satellite. Ṣebí ibi kan náà ti ń release video. Ibo ni satellite òde lórígun mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin àgbáyé. They know the location of these people. They go shaking and pack those children out. But tó bá yẹ pé Tinubu fẹ́ lọ tọrọ owó ńsìn, ó máa mọ̀ náà bẹ̀ láti lọ tọrọ owó. But to use them for intelligence, he rely only on Nigerian military and Nigerian security, which has been contaminated from the time of President Okui Buhari. Tí ò ní sùn dé, tí ò ní sùn níbi tó wà. Tára máa ní níbi tí ó wà ní. Calling some people repented Boko Boko H. Ó wá lọ kó wọn padà, ó tiẹ̀ kó wọn sí society, ó lọ reintegrate wọn padà sínú military. Torí mo sọ pé military ti wà contaminated. Ibẹ̀ náà ti mọ gbogbo àṣírí. Gbogbo nǹkan defense system tó fi weak military Nigeria. The military, he relying on the military of Nigeria. And we not see the difference we want to see. Kò yẹ káwọn ọmọ yẹn lò ju 5 days in May. Kò yẹ káwọn ọmọ yẹn lò ju 5 days in May. Ní pé the president does not want to use international body. Ego ló ń ṣe. International body can save the day. But he doesn't want to use them. I'm not 100% ẹ má fún wọn lówó. Tẹ́ bá fún wọn lówó, wọ́n á tún ṣì lọ kó àwọn ọmọ mi. Money does not solve the cycle. Ibi tá délé ni ransom ló gbé wa débẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni paying ransom to terror. Òun ló gbé wa débẹ̀. Sọ pé terrorize. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. So kọ́ máa san over anybody. Owó tí VDM sọ pé wọ́n máa crowdfund. Mo rí táwọn èèyàn kan drag VDM no comment section pé kọ́kọ́ lọ san òṣèbó lówó sínú foundation kó kọ́kọ́ lọ kó yẹn lẹ́nu. That is about 200 and something million naira. Pé kọ́kọ́ lọ kó ìyẹn lẹ́nu. Àwọn èèyàn sọ pé ó lè kò sówó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ mọ́. Ó fẹ́ wọ́nà láti crowdfund. Ẹ rò pé crowdfund kì í ṣe Nàìjíríà nìkan ló máa dáwọ́ all over the world ni because of this situation. So tó máa sọ pé 10 billion làwọn fẹ́ dá. Wọ́n máa fi dá 50 billion at the end of the day. Ibo lélẹ̀ tó kù máa lọ. Àwọn èèyàn kan ò trust VDM. Ṣé understand? Wọ́n rò pé ó fẹ́ jalè ni. But pẹ̀lú integrity VDM, mi ò rò pé ó fẹ́ jalè. Mi ò rò pé ó fẹ́ jalè. But it's just so young for him to understand that he just want to, ó máa ṣe nǹkan tó máa ṣò lọ́wọ́. It's not to arrest you, VDM. But that is not the solution. That cannot help the situation. Giving them money is re-empowering them to shaking it, to pack another children. If they pack another children tomorrow, we go crowdfund again. Then the cycle keep going and going. We are relying on empower terrorists. And we cannot rely on two things. We should not give them money, which the government does not want to give them money because the government realizes that they are broke to the point of packing children. One need the whole lot of nations. One need more. The government did not want to give them money. But at the same time, we cannot rely on the government because the government's defense system is weak. It's freaking weak, cannot do anything. But the only solution is international body. And I don't know why what I need that is so for United Nations to deploy the best military to save children's life. So it's not even about Nigeria being a failure. What about the United Nations? Is it not a failure? They don't care. They don't really care about us. 13 freaking days. These are workers, children. Where's the United Nations? That is it. They don't really care. Because Tinubu should be ready to give them anything they're supposed to give. Katimari, our fighter jets, Katimari, our military planes. America, 24 hours. 24 hours. I want the best intelligent FBI, satellites, the military kini, want to load the radar by want to mobiton. This is their location, kini kan won le miss. Ground troop, won wole by pa. Clean job, they will not see it coming. Helicopters, gbogbo, they will not see it coming. So they knew what they're supposed to do, but they won't do it. Why? Because I think it's ego thing. Even if Tinubu said it's going to cost us 200 years to pay back, it's better to be safe than sorry. And another thing that Tinubu doesn't understand that this week, Mongbo show Wasiu, video to Wasiu ṣe pé kán gbáradì pé wọ́n sabotage Tinubu. Òótọ́ ni, it's been sabotaged. But ìwọ náà ò ní gbà fún wọn ní òjò sọ pé òun ò ní lé ká. Onílé ni ò ní gbà fún. Wèrè la fi ń wo wèrè. Yes, they are sabotaging you. I don't believe these are Hausa. I believe these are the people that don't want Tinubu to be in power. You know, sabotaging is kini. That is what is happening. It's not about the kidnapping or the ransom. They want this man to step down. That is what is happening. But ìwọ náà, what does show manpower now? Why you have to be the president? You have to show us. You have to deploy. You have you have to show us, but yes, you are man enough. You can be the president. They are not supposed to question you or try shit with you. So that means you are weak. Another thing that is being talked about is revolution. Kini ó ti ń jere ó ti ń tòótọ́ tó bá lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ wàhálà protest kò ní peaceful. Protest ò ní peaceful. Ìlú ti le gbọ̀ngbọ̀n, nǹkan ti wọ́n jù. Now, insecurity tún wà. No jobs, no electricity, no road networking, no health, nothing. Now to insecurity again. It's just getting from bad to worse, bad to worse, bad to worse every time. You yourself, you're supposed to tackle it. Go to international. China tó máa ń lọ yẹn lọ sọ́dọ̀ wọn, they have military intelligence. Russia lọ sọ́dọ̀ wọn, France lọ sọ́dọ̀ wọn, Germany lọ sọ́dọ̀ wọn, UK lọ sọ́dọ̀ wọn. Chibi, you went to UK the last time for Atenu Abikile Loshe. Go to places you have to go for you to eliminate all these people. One sabotage Yagba. But kini won ṣe? Because if this was about your government being sabotaged, you would do anything, you would pull any strings up. Upe tó bá jẹ́ pé Igbo ni o, ọ̀rọ̀ Igbo ẹni o. Tó bá jẹ́ pé Igbo náà fẹ́ dì báyìí. He will pay any money, he will pull any strings, he will do everything he has to do for him to become the president. I think they're working, but I think since they are insiders, àwọn insider kini, àwọn who is terrorist tó bá ní insider, àwọn highly kini yẹn, àwọn major general tó ti retire yẹn, àwọn ló máa coordinate irú kini, because ta ló lè wọnú ìlú kan tó dẹ̀ máa lọ kó àwọn ọmọ tó dẹ̀ ní mọ bí tẹ́ wà. Think about it. Think about it. But the ransom, I will never support that. Do not negotiate with terrorists. The best solution so far let the international body come in, help. And that's all.